Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny Superstar and Joyful Nail JO-1097 stickers. And I've got Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails. Here is Superstar by Moonshine Manny. It's definitely unusual. It's kind of like a sage green with like iridescent flakes in it. It's very different for me, in my opinion. And that's all I've got, is my opinion. So I've got the first coat on, and I messed up the film on my ring finger, so I had to show my pinky. But now that we're doing our second coat, I'm back to my ring fingernail. This is the one I normally show. Me doing my base coat color on. Okay, and we're going to top it with I&Ms out the door, since we're playing with some stickers today. Now, I'm going to tell you, I wore this manicure just like this, no nail art, no stickers, nothing, for a day, and then I came back and put the stickers on the next day. Very pretty. I love that. Such prettiness. And here we go with the Joyful Nail stickers. And there's the sticker number on the back. And we're going to try to make this just look as hard as possible. I'm just being honest. You guys know, if y'all have watched me do decals and stickers before, I become a hot mess when it comes to playing with these things. Now, I don't want my struggle to deter you, because really, stickers, nail art stickers, were the first form of nail art I ever did. And for a long time, that's all that was out there, was like water decals and stickers. And, but I don't know, I make it look way harder than it should be. So I'm going to cut the snake's head off and move it over to the other nail. And if I'd have really thought this out, I would have like cut it into sections how I wanted to put it on my nail, instead of just like slapping it on the middle nail and cutting off the excess on the edge. Just craziness. But it's all okay, because I ended up with a manicure that didn't make me too crazy, and I had something protecting my nails for a few days. So I'm taking Woody here and taking him on a field trip, letting him do something else. He just smushed those stickers down flat, so that when I went in with my scissors here, that I was able to, you know, get to what I wanted to, and the rest of it would still be stuck to the nail. Alright, so I'm missing a piece of that other sticker because it folded over on itself and got stuck. So now I'm going to have to cut part of another sticker out to do the little tail piece over on my other nail. I know, I could have left it alone. It'd have been fine, but I wasn't having it. So some of that hindsight stuff, you know, you realize, okay, girl, you could have just left that. It'd have been okay. So, and this one ends up kind of a little bit messed up too. So it was like I was just not having a good time getting this tail onto that pointer fingernail. It was just struggle bus. We've all been there. It's okay. Trying to flatten it out with Woody. Trying to smooth it down. Alright, so they're on. Let's see. I'm looking at it and I'm thinking it needs more. Yep. So we're going to grab some more stickers off of here to add. I am leaving my pinky and my thumbnail blank. Just for a change, I've decided to go with this little moon. And this part wasn't too hard, wasn't too painful. And I really hope my videos don't deter you guys from trying things. In fact, I just want to share that if you're having a struggle, it's not just you. Honey, everybody has struggles with these nail things sometimes. And I've been doing my nails religiously for years and years and years, and I still struggle. And then other times it goes easy peasy lemon squeezy and there's no problem. So just keep trying. Alright, so we got those on there. I'm going to top these with I&Ms out the door again. We're going to seal these in and call them finished to done. Again, not my favorite manicure of the year, but I wasn't too mad about it. It was still a pretty good one for me. Those little snake stickers are so hollow-tastic, but they don't show up in my swatch video. I mean, my swatch picture. So there you have it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.